For this project, you will need an Arduino Uno, a USB A to B cable, a breadboard, 3 LEDs, 3 220 ohms resistors, jumper wires, and temperature sensor. Temperature sensor configuration. Before we begin the circuit design, let us take a look at the temperature sensor. Starting with the flat side of the sensor facing you, the left pin is a positive pin, the right pin is a negative pin, and the middle pin is for the signal that the temperature sensor sends. Take the breadboard and place it sideways. Attach 3 LEDs onto the breadboard horizontally. Connect the longer end of each LED with a 220 ohms resistor. Connect the other end of the first resistor to pin 2 on the Arduino using a jumper wire. Connect the other end of the second resistor to pin 3 on the Arduino using a jumper wire. Connect the other end of the third resistor to pin 4 on the Arduino using a jumper wire. Connect the shorter ends of all the LEDs to the negative side of the breadboard. Attach a temperature sensor onto the breadboard. Connect the left end of the temperature sensor to the positive side of the breadboard using a jumper wire. Connect the right end of the temperature sensor to the negative side of the breadboard using a jumper wire. Connect the middle of the temperature sensor to the analog pin A1 on the Arduino using a jumper wire. Connect the negative side of the breadboard to the ground pin on the Arduino using a jumper wire. Connect the positive side of the breadboard to the 5 volts pin on the Arduino using a jumper wire. Open the Arduino software and create a new file. Assign the variables for hot and cold temperature. Set up the temperature sensor as input, the 3 LEDs as output. Put the serial monitor at 9600 baud rate. Read the sensor value from the pin A1. Calculate the total voltage for the sensor value. Calculate the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Print the current temperature on the serial monitor. Print an alert onto the serial monitor to turn on the heater and the cold LED, which is the first LED, if the temperature is lower than 15 degrees Celsius. Print an alert on the serial monitor to turn on the air conditioner and the hot LED, which is the third LED, if the temperature is higher than 30 degrees Celsius. Print on the serial monitor that it's normal and turn on the green LED if the temperature is between 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. Connect Arduino to your computer using the USB A to B cable. Go to Tools, select Ports, and select Arduino. Compile your code by selecting the check button to see if you have any errors, and if you do, fix them. If your program has no errors, the console window will say that your program has no errors. Upload the code by pressing the Upload button. Open the serial monitor under Tools to see if a temperature is detected. Make sure that the baud rate is set to 9600 on the bottom right. If the temperature detected is hot, the serial monitor displays the current temperature and if you need to turn your air conditioner on. If the temperature detected is normal, the serial monitor displays the current temperature and said that it's normal. If the temperature detected is cold, the serial monitor displays the current temperature and that you need to turn your heater on. When the temperature detected is cold, the other red LED turns on. When the temperature detected is hot, the red LED turns on. When the temperature detected is normal, the green LED turns on.